Hey everyone, this is Laura here from Extraordinary Adventures. We were recently invited by Royal Caribbean to tour one of their ships, Harmony of the Seas. We got some great coverage of 7 different categories of staterooms that we want to share with you. But before we do, we want to mention that not only do we create videos like the one you are currently watching, we are also cruise travel agents. We don't charge a fee to book and manage your cruise. Plus, if you do book with us, we offer expert planning advice as well as answer any questions you might have. If you are looking to book a cruise on Royal Caribbean or any other cruise line, please do reach out. We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. The first room we are touring is a Category 4D Ocean View Balcony. Now this room is 182 square feet and it has a 50 square foot balcony. Now in the bathroom, you will see that the shower has an actual shower door, not just a shower curtain, which is a great thing. And in there, you'll also see that there's a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash combo. If you are a person who likes individual shampoo and conditioner, I do recommend bringing your own. There is one sink there for you to use. And in the main room, that's the first closet. If you do need more hangers, you can always ask your stateroom attendant for more. That is the couch. And if we do a 180, you are going to see the desk with a vanity. And in there is also a mini refrigerator for you to use. And that's the second closet there with some more storage space and a safe. The bed either can be 2 twin beds that convert to a Royal King, or they can be separated and be their own individual beds. And that is your 50 square foot balcony to enjoy. The next stateroom category we are touring is a Category 2I Boardwalk View Balcony. And this balcony is exactly the same as the other balcony that you toured, with one big exception. This balcony does not face the ocean. It actually faces the interior. On Harmony of the Seas, there's actually distinct and different neighborhoods that are open to the air. And this here is the boardwalk. So instead of the balcony facing the ocean, it faces the boardwalk. There are also Central Park view balconies, which do the exact same thing. They overlook Central Park area of Harmony of the Seas. The next category of stateroom we are touring is a Category J4 Junior Suite. This bathroom is definitely larger as compared to the balcony bathroom that we just saw. You do have your own tub there, and in the tub you'll see 3 separate bottles, one for shampoo, one for conditioner, and one for body wash. This here is the bedroom area. The beds are 2 separate twin beds that can either be separated or they can be pushed together to make a Royal King. Now this room is definitely larger than the balcony room we just toured. This is 287 square feet, and that is a nice size balcony at 80 square feet. And one of the other main differences to this room is that we are about to tour. It has a walk-in closet. If you're on a longer voyage, it's great to be able to separate out your clothing from your living space. We all know that clothing can very easily overtake a stateroom cabin. This next category of stateroom is a Category J3 Junior Suite. One of the biggest differences between this junior suite and the last one that we just saw is that this cabin is equipped with special features to make it wheelchair accessible. You'll see that there was no lip going from the living room area to the bathroom area to make it an easy transition for a wheelchair. You'll also see that the main area is definitely a larger, wider area, so a wheelchair can easily navigate through the space. You'll also see that the balcony has a ramp for you to be able to roll the wheelchair in and out of the balcony space. Now these J3 accessible cabins can range anywhere between 287 square feet to 390 square feet, and the balcony ranges between 80 square feet to 107 square feet. The next category of stateroom that we are touring is a category GS, 1-bedroom grand suite. I just showed you the closet area, and in there were some bathrobes for you to use. You also have your own coffee maker there. This room does have a separate living room and bedroom area. There's a wall and curtains to separate there. If you do have to work while you're on your cruise, hopefully you don't, but if you do have a nice desk area there for you to use. And on this side of the bed, you'll see there are no electrical sockets, but on the other side of the bed, there are two. This room is 371 square feet. It does have a 105 square foot balcony. And the balcony does have a seating area that you can actually convert to make a private dining area. The bathroom here does have his and her vanities and has a nice large tub for you to enjoy. The next category of stateroom that we are touring is a category OS Owner's Suite. As soon as you walk into the room, you see that you have some really nice closet space, as well as a mini bar area, and you have a dining table, so you can actually have your meals brought to you here. In the bathroom, it is a nice sized bathroom. You have a toilet as well as a bidet, and then you have a separate shower and bathtub. The products in here are an upgraded version of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You do have separate his and her sinks as well. This here is the living room area, and you do have a separate bedroom here as well with a nice desk area again if you needed to bring your laptop and work. You have some electrical outlets on that side of the bed, and you have a TV on this side as well as a TV in the living room area as well. The balcony outside is very large as well. The balcony is 243 square feet. The inside of the stateroom is 556 square feet. Well, folks, I believe I have saved the best room for last. This is a category A3 Spacious Aqua Theater Suite. We are walking into the very large walk-in closet, and on your left-hand side, there's a door there that leads to the bathroom. There are two entrances into the bathroom, and that is one of them. In the bedroom, on the left and the right side of the bed, there are electrical sockets there, and there's also some electrical sockets right there, which is the nice large desk area. This here is the bathroom. You will see you have a very nice tub, as well as a glass enclosed shower with a wand. And right there is the door that leads to the walk-in closet. You do have his and her vanities right there. And this is the living quarters. There is actually a door that separates the bedroom from the living quarters. So you actually have a really nice separation between the two. The best part about this room is this view right here. As I mentioned, this is an Aqua Theater Suite, and right here you actually have amazing views down to the Aqua Theater, so you can actually stand on your balcony and watch the show down below. Now this suite is 604 square feet, and has a balcony of 631 square feet. So the balcony is actually larger than the stateroom, which is amazing. Well, folks, this is the end of our tour. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, I do kindly ask you to like and subscribe with the notification bell on. That lets us know that we are doing something right and we should keep doing what we're doing. If you are looking to book a cruise on Royal Caribbean or any other cruise line, please do reach out. We would love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. That's it for now. Bye, folks.